Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of Bitmoji keyboard. So let's go to the keyboard. Okay, so this is my Bitmoji keyboard. To get rid of it, simply what you can do, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see this globe icon. Just tap there. Okay, and your normal keyboard is back. And if you want to remove it permanently from your system, what you have to do, go to settings. Okay, go to general. Here you will see keyboard. Tap there. Now on the top you will see keyboards. I have 3 keyboards here. So tap on Bitmoji. Okay, it's selected allow full access. Just disable it. Go back. Now touch over the Bitmoji and slide left. Okay, and your Bitmoji keyboard is gone. Now let's go back. Okay, let's see if it's gone. Okay, so as you can see, the globe icon is gone from your keyboard and you have the normal emojis now. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get rid of Bitmoji keyboard. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.